We know learning to work on your S197 Mustang can be very intimidating, but today we're going to share 5 videos that we're confident anybody with basic hand tools can accomplish on their own. The first part on my list is going to be the Renegade Euro taillights, fitting the 13 through 14, but they'll actually fit all 10 through 14 Mustangs. The factory 13 through 14 is one of the best looking taillights around, and the Euros take it one step further with that smoked out Euro look. These are very easy to install. Simply pop the trunk, remove some panels, and it's basic hardware. Next on my list is the BMR Radiator support, and that's going to fit your 05 through 14 Mustang. There's 2 versions. There's one that deletes your sway bar for drag racing, and another for street cars that keeps the sway bar. These are easy to install and will save weight off the front of your Mustang. Next on my list is for the manual transmission guys, and that is the Steeda clutch spring. Now the factory clutch spring is very heavy, gives you a very vague clutch feel. The Steeda spring is much lighter, which allows you to have a lot more feel over the clutch without having the clutch not work properly. This part is again very easy to install. The hardest part is getting under the dash. Next on my list is the Whiteline transmission insert. Again, a small part that makes a huge difference. This bushing is going to go inside the factory transmission mount, so you do have to go under your car to install it, but it's very easy to do. It's going to stiffen the mount and provide much firmer, much more accurate shifts. Last but not least on my list is the Accelatec LED trunk light fitting the 05 through 14 Mustang. This is a part you probably didn't know you need, but the first time you actually open the trunk at nighttime with this light installed, you're going to be very happy you installed it. And again, very simple to do and a direct replacement for the factory light. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to the channels, we have hundreds of installs for your S197. There's many others besides these 5 you can easily do yourself and get back on the road in no time.